Almost there, and turning back isn't an option. Let the third term load. Shower. Hey again, everyone. Welcome to the Skywalker channel again. This is where good coffee make bad people feel bad, but it's not a bad thing. Today, we come to talk about Jamaica's successes and who would feel bad about that, but bad mind itself. Like ones who would lie and tell you that NSHP houses are being repossessed by the government, or that Dr. Tufton's false teeth giveaway is a scam. Do you know that kind of bad mind? Full, isn't it? Today, I want to talk about something that's been on everyone's mind, including good hearts and bad minds. Everyone has interest in the economy. Yes, that big, complicated, often headache inducing word. But don't worry, I'm not here to bore you with charts or graphs. Instead, I want to celebrate the progress we have made and share why now is the time to stay the course. Mhm. Let's talk about the good news. The economy has been fixed. Yeah. No, I know what you're thinking. Fixed like a leaky faucet or my grandma's old radio? Well, not quite. Fixing an economy is more like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and eventually it bears fruit. And guess what? We are starting to see those first juicy fruits. The government has laid the groundwork, stabilizing finances, creating jobs, and boosting industries. But here's the thing, the benefits don't show up overnight. It's like baking a cake. You can't pull it out of the oven halfway through and expect it to be ready. Patience, my friends, is the secret ingredient. Let's start with a proud moment of reflection. Our economy has been fixed, I said. No, don't get me wrong. This is no magic trick. Fixing an economy isn't like patching a tire. It's more like steering a ship through stormy seas, navigating carefully until we reach calmer waters. And guess what? The waves are smoothing, the horizon is brightening, and there's a steady breeze pushing us toward prosperity. Prosperity. But what does fixing the economy even really mean? Let's break it down. The government has worked tirelessly to stabilize finances, cutting debt, controlling inflation, and making our economy more resilient. It's like building a foundation for a skyscraper. You won't see the glitz and glamour right away, but without that sturdy base, nothing can stand tall. You know that, or you should know that. Now let's talk about what's next. Fixing the economy is the beginning of the process, not the end. Think of it as planting a seed. You prepare the soil, water it, and protect it. But what really matters is what comes after the growth. For us, growth means infrastructure improvements, skills development, and empowering communities. Infrastructure. Imagine smoother roads, modern schools, and accessible healthcare facilities. Infrastructure isn't just about convenience, it's about opportunity. Think about that. You have education and skills. Jobs are changing, industries are evolving, and we must adapt. By investing in education and training, we are not just preparing people for jobs today, we are preparing them for the careers of tomorrow. A truly fixed economy leaves no one behind. This means creating social programs, supporting small businesses, and ensuring every citizen feels the benefits of progress. And that's the phase we are driving into. And then there's patience. Let's be honest. It's not easy waiting for good things to happen, but great things take time. Remember, when we thought instant noodles, right, were a game changer, hmm, we really went tunnel vision. We went tunnel vision. Then we realized they are no match for slow cooked stew. Fixing the economy is a slow cooked stew situation. Huh, folks? It is. Let it simmer. It's worth the wait, right? So let it simmer. Let it simmer. Don't even think about changing a winning formula. It wouldn't make sense. Here is the real heart of today's message. We can't afford to turn back now. We have come so far, overcome obstacles, and persevered through challenges. To stop now would be like baking a cake and skipping the icing, or worse, running a marathon and quitting at mile 25. No one wants to miss the finish line photo. Sweat, but victorious, holding a giant smile and maybe a banana. Hmm? Think about it. Sweaty, sweat dripping, but you're crossing the victory line. It's not like we are saying it was easy or it's supposed to be easy. What we are saying is that we are getting there. We are certainly getting there. So let's stay the course. Let's stay the course. Let's keep pushing forward. Let's build on the foundation we have laid and take this journey together because the rewards aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They are the smiles of families, the dreams of students, and the pride of a nation that didn't give up. And let's do it with laughter. After all, a well timed joke has the power to lift spirits and remind us why we are here. Maybe we laugh about the long meetings or the bad coffee, but we'll also laugh at how far we have come and how much further we are going to go. The best is yet to come. So let's stay the course. Why change a winning formula? Let's keep watering that tree, baking that cake, and running that marathon because the finish line is in sight and the rewards will be worth it. At the moment, you have two choices. You have a man who is already there and winning. The doctor knows his economics so well, and because of this, because his math is matching up, we make great progress every day. Then you have a clueless investor who cannot run his private investor business but would love to run the economy. And yes, he does claim to be a know it all, but he doesn't know that a political manifesto is not the right tool for counteraction in a budget debate. Hmm? He claims he knows what to invest in, but he doesn't know that investments proposals need figures. Go figure. So go figure. Go figure. Whom do we choose? Andrew Holness is already proven and tested. There is no reason for change. No reason at all to change a winning formula for an opposition that demonstrates being clueless. Clueless. How can you vote for cluelessness instead of certainty? And hey, if nothing else, Let's do it for the future we desperately desire, which we are moving towards by our present trajectory, and it's clear to all of us. After all, who doesn't love a good "we fix the economy" finishing line? Just remember, the punchline is always better when everyone's in on it. Then we can all take credit for saying, "Me did have to be a laborite. Me did have to be a laborite." Instead of doing the PNP backstep, sabotaging the thing, and then when the JLP succeeds, regardless, they come back stepping and trying to share credit for it. Like as with the successes in the fight against crime, that they sabotage with everything they had to throw at it. Think about that. Now they're trying to backstep, wiggle in, and get some credit for something they sabotage. That's all we have for now. Thank you. And let's keep moving forward together, my people. The progress has already begun, and only a fool changes a winning formula for certain failure. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.